In this video, I'm going to show you how I set up my home studio right here in the dining room to be able to run my t-shirt business, my YouTube channel, and create awesome quality content. So by the end of this video, you'll get an idea how to set up a living room space, a dining room space, an extra bedroom to create quality content. First things first, we're going to start with the t-shirt equipment, right? So over here I have a table that I got from Home Depot. This table I've had for years now. When I first opened up my shop back in the day, right now maybe about 4 years ago when we had the shop, let me know in the comments if you've been following for that long. This is the table that we bought. I bought this table from Home Depot for $75. And this table right here has a shelf. It holds a whole bunch of other things. Never mind the mess at the bottom shelf there. But you can see I have my white toner printer right here, okay, from UNINET. That is the UNINET iColor 560. I also have my cap press right here. This is the cap press of cap presses, man. The Fusion IQ from Stars. Okay, so that right next to it. And then over here, I have my Transpro Plus. This is my favorite heat press, okay? This heat press right here has the pull-out drawer and all of that. You've seen me use this press here. It's super awesome. I have a space right here because I'm going to put in the swing-away heat press right here from Heat Press Nation. But that thing is super heavy and I can't carry it here right now. So once I get some help to pick it up, I will be adding that on to have that swing-away effect right here, okay? So then at the bottom here, this bottom shelf, I have the good old Silhouette 3. This Cameo 3 that don't even get used now, so it's just there. We have the Sawgrass 560 down below. Right here, we have that for sublimation. Right next to it is another sublimation printer. This here is the ET2850, right? This one is set up for sublimation as well, but I sometimes also use it for regular printing with the sublimation ink, doesn't matter. Then I have this printer right here. This printer I bought years ago when I was at the shop again, but running a photography studio in there as well. So this printer right here, this is the Canon Pro 300. This printer right here allows you to print high quality photography from, it's about 11 by 13 length here. This printer is golden. All right, so that's right there as well. And at the very bottom here, we have some miscellaneous stuff, a whole bunch of UNINET stuff there for that printer right there. And then I have a mug press right here that came from, this is the company right here that sent that, right? That's sitting there as well. So right now, this table right here is able to run the t-shirt business right from home, right? Because you know my thing, all you need is a heat press, some heat transfers. Actually, in this box right here, I have some transfers right here from TKO Sales. This right here happened to be my T-seal, right? This T-seal paper is what you need when it comes to, like, especially when you're doing heat white toner transfers. You want to grab the T-seal. Everything will be linked down below, especially this T-seal right here. You want to grab one of those. Heat presses, all those stuff will be down below in the comments. Everything that's ran, even this video you're seeing right now, everything happens right here on this desk, right? So this is my ultimate, right? This right here, I call it the control center. I run my podcast from here, my YouTube videos from here. Everything is ran from this desk. So I'll show you a little bit what's going on this desk, what I have, and what we can do with this. First thing, starting with the computer, man. This is just a PC right here. It's an HP. This HP is fairly, I mean, it's got a couple years on it. But next to this PC right here, I have my Rodecaster Pro. This is the Rodecaster Pro. This is the board. This is the first version. This allows us to bring in XLR microphones, right? I can put 4 microphones back there to get quality sound and be able to run a whole show right off of here. All of the audio you hear, maybe not this one right here on this video because I'm recording right on my iPhone, but that happens right through this Rodecaster Pro. And all of the video switching happens right here on this Black Magic. This is the A10 Mini Pro. This allows you to bring in 4 HDMI sources here. So I have multiple cameras. This camera here, it's not hooked up yet. So that's going on right there on the desk. And then I have this tower thing right here. I'm going to be updating this real soon because there's a company that sent me one. I just need to plug it in. But yeah, so this one here has some USB ports, and then one major mega one right here that plugs into the computer. My main camera, right, is the Sony A7 III. That's my main camera right here. Most of the YouTube videos you see, like you're looking at that nice and crispy right there, happening right here with this camera. Okay, so this camera is connected, HDMI mini coming out of here, going down into the ATEM, and I have it on a false battery, so for constant battery power, so it always is charging or is on, right? There's no battery in there. It's like a fake battery that has the AC power. All right, so then I have another monitor right here just to see myself a little better. And this big one, this is an actual TV. So this is an actual TV. I just use it as an extended desktop, right? To extend whatever is happening here onto this monitor right here. And everything is being held by this big old stand thing or desk holder. I don't even know what to call this. If I can find it, I'm gonna link it down below. But I got that off of Amazon just to hold multiple devices or screens. You can see all this is being held with that on the desk, right? So for desk, I have it's covered with a black cloth, but you can see some efficiency right there. It's just a, what's it called? IKEA desk, man. Just a simple IKEA desk. I believe I paid like $40 for that. Got the iPad Pro over here. And over here for lighting, I have two ring lights, right? You can see I got two ring lights there. They're on C-stands, right? Because like I said, we have a bunch of equipment from the photography studio, right? So I have these sitting on C-stands. I can move them around. If I wanted this to position somewhere else, I can just move them around and be able to still have a good production. I'm gonna jump in here real quick and tell you, if you're trying to start a digital product business in 2024, I want to encourage you to do that, right? Because with AI now, it is so easy for us to create all these dope images, especially for my t-shirt folks, right? I have a bunch of images that I've been creating and selling. So what I'm going to do for you right now to get your business started, we've created over 500 assets, right? Images, all types of PNG files, and it's bundled up in what I'm calling the Digital Income Starter Kit. So the Digital Income Starter Kit gives you resale rights to be able to sell all of my designs. So you download them, you build your own store with them, you put them on your Etsy, put them on your Shopify, put them anywhere you want. All you have to do is click the link down below this video and jump in on this digital product business using the images that I have already proven to sell. I have made over $10,000 just in November and December selling these digital products. And I want you to do the same. So go ahead, hit the links down below and download the Digital Income Starter Kit. Let's jump back to the video. And over here, I have a little television, you know. I watch some YouTube over here. You can feel me right now. If I click it, it's probably on YouTube. That's the only thing I watch. There you go. We're watching a video right now. But yeah, so then I got some images on the wall back there. You got my man Nipsey right here, Nipsey Hussle. This one right here just says pray all day. We got the Eagles over here. Some of y'all probably know this image. This image is popping all over the internet. And then back here, we got Kobe, right? The TV is all in the way. Of course, I got some Bible scriptures right there. Colossians chapter 3, verse 23, talking about hard work. We have another one right here. Love one another. 1 Peter chapter 1, 22. I have a Bluetooth speaker right here that I actually just brought in from another side of the house. I'm going to see. Maybe my wife is going to decline that sitting right there, but we'll see. So for my chair, I have this chair right here. It's been around for a few years as well. We started with this in the shop. And now we have all of this stuff just right in the home studio, because we're doing a lot from here now, more on the content side of things now, more of like a media-based type of business. All right, right over there, you can see that's the kitchen. And from this end now, when I'm recording videos, you always gotta have some like aesthetics, right? Some stuff behind you. So I got this shelf here that has some things on there. It's still a working mess at the bottom there, but the camera is really only seeing it up to here, right? I got a few things here. I got my Bible. I got some Bible books here, New Testament, Old Testament. Got a few things on the shelf. The S representing our last name, family most importantly. And I got a little spot cam here for all the people that want to come and sit at my desk and act like I can't see them. I see you. We got the GoPro right here sitting. Always got to have a green, man. Always got to have a bush or a tree, a plant. So I got a plant behind me right here sitting on this box, right? That box also we use for photography. And got a little family calendar thing going on there with all the busyness we have going on this month. FYI, your boy will be in LA for the Impression Show on these dates. I cannot wait. Let me know if you're at the Impression Show under this video. You got to have some colors, right? So I have some lighting in the back here. These happens to be that's the GVM, right? Great Video Maker. These are Clarity RGB. They will change to any color. We can change the scene in the studio just as much as we want. I got 2 of those, right? Got a whole bunch. You got some other light in here. Again, make sure you follow and join the Facebook group, Fire Up the Heat Press. Okay, so that's what's happening right here. And everything else, man, this is what it looks like. From this angle, I come into work every day. This is where I spend most of my time. I'm in here creating a whole lot of stuff. All right, man, so I hope you found value to this video here. I just wanted to show you in 2024, this is how we are operating our business, right? We're creating content from here. We're printing shirts from here. We're running podcasts from here. And on that note, if you want to be a guest on the Entrepreneur Social Podcast, go ahead, send me a message on Instagram at Garment Creations. Until next time, share this video with somebody else, like it, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Happy New Year.